Hi everybody, so I'm doing the ball bouncing experiment, and here I have a tennis ball into the rubber ball, but the point of the experiment is to see if the different heights that we drop the ball doesn't make it any difference in the bounce back of the ball. So first, we're going to start with 15 centimeters, and then each time we will be increasing the height by 15 centimeters until we get to 90 centimeters right there. Bear with me because it's a little hard to do an experiment alone, because if you are doing it alone, it means that you don't have a second person to watch for where the bounce back is. So I'm going to see if we can all watch the video and try analyze where about the bounce back height is going to be. Now remember, the independent variable is where we're changing the height. Means that you are expecting the bounce back to be different. So the ball is the one that is depending on this height change. So the ball becomes the dependent variable. Alright, so the hypothesis is that I would say I think the ball will bounce more, or I think the ball will bounce less. Your choice. Then the purpose of this experiment is that the first thing we need to think of. The purpose of this experiment is to find out whether when we change the height, does it change the bounce back of the ball. Okay, so let's start with this experiment, and I'm going to try bounce from 15 centimeters. So that bounced back to roughly about 5 centimeters. The first one was 5 centimeters bounce back. The second one is where we have to increase it to 30 centimeters right there. So I'm going to start the bounce from here, and it bounced back to 11. The second one is 11. The third one, now from 30 we have to increase it another 15. That is going to be 45 centimeter height. So let's start there. And it kind of responded with about 15 centimeters. So yes, the bounce back is increasing as we increase the height up. Okay, so I think you should get it from there. From there on, we're just going to throw estimate numbers. Okay, and I'm going to stop right there by clicking the